Hello, Sophie D'Souza here, Sophie Stained Glass. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for tuning in today, and if you're one of my subscribers, I thank you for your support. Now, this is quite a superficial video, not an in-depth one, because it took me a long time and I was quite grumpy while I did it because it was difficult. But I am so happy with the result. I will step aside and do the big reveal. Ta-da! So, what is this charming, beautiful, stunning item? It's actually the enclosure around a toilet that we put in under the stairs. Now, the toilet sat there for quite a long time before I had time to build this, because clearly, it being my toilet enclosure, I didn't just want a boring box around it. I felt like it needed stained glass. No surprise there. Step this way, if you will, cameraman. So, observe, we have the 3 windows here, all made for it, and around here, we have another 2 made for it, and we have our little light switch. Now, I'm just going to do a bit of mood altering. So, here it is with the lights off. It's sort of like a cross between a kaleidoscope. Do you remember those little things where you turn the end? A cathedral and maybe a sci-fi film, not sure. Step this way and I'll show you the inside. Now, there we go. Yes, so somewhat sci-fi disco inside. Come. I will show you, I did a couple of short films of how I threaded the lights through all the stud work in here. I chose LED lighting because it's low energy, low voltage, and I can just keep them on all day, which is actually what I enjoy doing. I've got a very dark hall. In another video you saw me breaking a window through to the outside just to try and bring light into the hall, but the sun is in the wrong place, how dare it. So it's still quite a dark hall. Now I'm going to alter the mood again. Come. We're going to do something quite intimate now. You're going to come into the toilet with me. Come. It's not a big space. In you come. We're just doing a little dance so I can get to the door. Right. Oh, no, your bum's in the way. Move that bum. Don't I cut all this out, just get into position. Right. So, look. So this is what it looks like from inside the toilet with the lights on outside. So, another mood experience. Another way to enjoy. No, that's going to sound weird, yourself in here. No, that doesn't sound right. Anyway, what a spectacle. Isn't it gorgeous? And cramped. So I'm going to get out of here. Have a look at the next couple of films coming up and it should show you a bit more about how I made it. I'm just coming to the end of day 3 of my massive construction project. It's a bit like giving birth. Difficult and long. So one of the problems of many that I've had is nothing in this house is true. So the floor isn't true, the walls aren't true, the ceiling isn't true, and the understairs cupboard goes in all weird directions. So I've had to keep doing templates and offering up. This is the MDF tongue and groove board. And then on the other side, it's a bit of a... My cameraman can pick his way through all the tools. So on the other side, come. You can see there's just MDF. Now, I haven't yet run these lights all the way around the inside of these windows, but I thought I'd show you at this stage. I haven't filmed the process of building this because you don't want 3 days of me struggling, even if it is speeded up. So, and if we look over here, we've got the wiring, and it actually feeds, it's going to feed through to the door, which I haven't put on yet, and there's going to be trunking coming through this hole to carry the light into the door. There are 2 sets of LED lights, and there's a little controller here. I've mounted the switch. I've put an inline switch to control the lights because it comes with a remote control. Oh look, it's gone on to red. I'm going to have to sort that out. With my trusty remote control, hopefully I can correct that. Let's have a go. Oh, yay! Although red's kind of charming in its own way, isn't it? A little bit too disco though, or maybe a bit womb-like. Let's stick with white. So yes, I thought while it's still in its skeleton stage, I would just show you what's going on. So left to do is the door. Obviously put the panelling on the back of this stud work, and then sort of trace all the lights around the perimeter of these windows, and then paint it and make it beautiful. So I will check back in with you when I have progressed a little further. I'm feeling somewhat weary at the moment. Maybe I should stop now and start again tomorrow. It's that kind of feeling. Okay, see you soon. So, thought I'd give you a progress report. So excited, it's got a door. Look, opens and closes. I just wanted to show you how I fed the wiring through. So, step this way. I've drilled through and brought the lights in a hole through this upright into the side of the door. Let me just move back a sec. Oh, it's so cramped. So I got this stuff, 5 meters of it, and I really only need about 4 inches. Hey ho. And that is what I'm going to use to stop the light strip, which is really only on paper and terribly fragile, from getting damaged. So as you open and close, oh, so clever, so clever. We love that. So the things left to do are the cladding at the top, and obviously the window in here. And then I've got to do this kind of framing around the glass on the inside. But on the inside, I think I might use slightly bigger beading, because you can see the lights very, very glaringly, and it'd be quite nice to have them slightly hidden behind the wood. But I'm really happy with it. It's so cute. Look at that. So it's been 3 long days, but I actually feel now that I'm winning, and I can see the light at the end of the tunnel. Not such a dark end to the day today, literally. Oh, shall I turn off the light and we'll see what it looks like? Yay! Woo! Lent on the door too soon. Yay! Very pleased with that. So I will check in with you tomorrow when I have made a bit more progress, and yeah, very exciting. So thank you very much for watching. I hope this has inspired you to do beautiful and imaginative things in your own home, because this will be a joy forever, and it makes me so happy in many ways. Thank you. Please like, comment and subscribe.